mangabe khona amagama engawezwa kwamagama engawezwa sisonke emakhele asibuyeni emakhele sikhuluma sonke uzokhomenta ngizocela ungene mangabe ungene naida yeah but I'll feel this I'll comment eta la alright ngikhona amagama engingazwa ngompho athi umpho wezwa ngondlovukazi uzinzi ukuthi the true currency is energy not le form imali
spiritual currency
actually she said it's a spiritual currency rather than this currency imali yeah? That's the true currency and true currency kanjani spiritual currency kanjani energy sizonke makhele no the only thing that exists is energy
flow of current
towards and so so the energy exists exista umuntu only umuntu wenza le energy enkulu umuntu uyenza umuntu is a creator
so umuntu
yeah is a creator
nature
all right ngobuka iTV ngibheke Alfred McDonald ngokuthi sengiqale sengiyayazi ya exist engqondweni yami sengi-energize sene-energy leyo bathi if isihlahla siyawe ehlathini ingenamuntu osibonayo kungenamuntu owitnessa isihlahla siwe lesihlahla siwayo meaning anything yenzakayo kungenamuntu oyiwitnessayo that thing did not exist that quantum science isho njalo of which is a fact mawuzothi isihlahla siwile ubani usibonile wazingasibili ngoba umuntu usibonile and so into yenze umuntu angekho ayenzekanga and so that's why yonke into manje bayenze engqondweni zabantu and so ngokubheka iTV anything ozoyibelieve so uyicreateile once unobheka icorona so uyicreate se exist ngoba wena seyikhona engqondweni yakhe that's why bakuthi ukuthi imagine things just imagine if you ufuna imoto imagine that car imagine yourself driving that car you are creating it because of yonke into isengqondweni everything is in the mind one of these principles they came it principle
the world is mental.
Young it is mental. Thank you. That principle. Young it is mental. Young it creates mentality. And so, by watching my politics, by watching TV, actually, see fuel that thing. You don't even watch TV. Instead, watch. Give energy to things those things manifest. Watch abantu abathanda nayo. Watch abantu abakoyela nayo. Watch abantu aba-rehabilitate abantu elokishini. Watch ama speakers of truth. Ama rehabilitators. That thing may exist may be the you will automatically attract it when you
what you say media
media good as use by use understand that these people they understand the laws of nature spiritually and physically and more understand the laws of nature art law imoto nyeke iduma ngafanga petrol and imoto nyeke ba piston 10 angaconnectekanga ku crankshaft those are laws of nature. That's why multi-conic apply laws of nature. That's why it's electricity apply laws of nature. That's why it's namanza flow apply laws of nature. So apply will be physical. The very same law they apply spiritual. Nyakwazi ukudivert anything any energy because of everything is energy. Electricity flow of current is energy. The flow of water is the energy yes kutamanza flow. Ukuthi multi-dome is energy. Ukuthi fuel mixture isho kuma pistons. Because energy to multi-dome. And so that energy akwi divert na ku spirituality. Spiritual bayenza kanje nge-TV ngoba bayenza ukuthi uzlowe ayikho into ezenzeka kuwe ungayivumanga ayikho into ezenzeka kuwe ungayivumanga meaning wena mele uyivume ungaboni uyayivuma zonke izinto ezenza like by naming le calendar le January to December sivuma lama gods abo
sawaphahlela
yithi sivuma
increasing the energy
no one has power over you except yourself and so these people they understand how to make yourself ukuthi uzlowe by naming amagodzabo uyawafuela instead of calling January I mean September why don't you call September Asa you understand by saying Asa you are giving that energy Asa uzo manifesta when also using Mandu is the beginning your life will also begin you have a season beginayo guys you understand man waqala ibiza ngoSeptember ubiza amagodzabo uyawafuela
Actually, they did it deliberately.
September king
exactly
Because remember,
what does the word mean?
Remember English. No, okay, remember again. what he's saying that everything when you keep on speaking it, that's why it's called spelling, because why you are casting a spell. The reason why they had to name everything, because every time you use the naming, they had to name our rivers, they had to name our streets, they had to name our towns. And remember also, English is a low vibrational language. That language is low vibrational. So that's why they had to enforce. That's why they had to enforce that language on us. That's why they had to enforce it on the rest of the world, that you must use the English because it's low vibrational. So the more you speak it, it doesn't give you
You've got a finger.
The calendar name. Ayikho into yamali emhlabeni, but i-calendar i-free. Ngathiwa mali ngiprint i-calendar. Namakhampani agaya so bangagaya na 3.
You're increasing the energy.
Every day uvuka nespa namagods wabo nje.
because the cost involved in printing the calendar.
Yes, I'll tell you why. Kajabot is something about the media will not show you.
The word media, the word media, DIA, good. DIA, media, media of communication.
Yes.
Like if phone is a media, TV is a media, anything that
portal of some sort.
Portal information from one point to another
input,
point.
output.
Like each Q magazine, FHM, media there, because also there's information that somebody pay the phone there. Media there. And then after no media, got MEDIA. So you choose vibrator ngfana, so you choose bronze ngfana, so you choose resonance ngfana. Meaning multimedia so ubiza lo media ka DIA. Media ka DIA is a goddess of illusion, that's a Greek.
Yeah.
That's a Greek, goddess of illusion. Meaning media, you are casting yourself with the goddess of illusion told me that there's corona. And the goddess of illusion makes me believe this illusion. By saying media, you are affirming not to exist. Medium.
It's crazy, hey? It's crazy. The most logical of people. The decisions that at that time, you're like,
you ask yourself.
And so, young guy, but my cat, I'm playing.
The media will not show you.
Yes, if they don't want to know, they will show it. Anything about Winsayon, you didn't tell them about anything about Oibone media, I kind of in the Abamas player, who are editor. You can't editive.
Everything is scripted.
Oh, my man, you have editive. Such things were editive. Minimum to the Mamelinda when you say, who's on telling the editive, Bomamela Man, and one unfortunate part, Nalinda Bazin, Umshabo, the whole day, Angan's next. Within the 7 o'clock, Melinda, extend you'll be parroting what he had this.
Yeah, you
hey, who's the command the whole day? Beside Linda was on the phone day. I'm paying on a Santa Crumezon. The whole day, show 7 and in the Zalete, Santa Crumezon, Lomu Parotinda, Rana
programming.
Yenu upinda bazo ukumi TV yena kana ngondo akanochiki akanati yonke khuluma bheki
critical thinking
so basically you're saying people are not using their higher faculties, their intellectual faculties. They're only using their senses.
No, actually
I mean,
they're using vibrational magic because now they're allowing something. They're not creating that magic. They're allowing something to create it.
Yeah. So they are not thinking, and thinking is our highest function.
Hence, uma uyibuza ukuthi mina ngisasemncane ngiyibuza ukuthi why bazobhadala isoka play imali eningi so ngoba lo muntu akafiti umuntu akalaphi umuntu. Why kubalekile ukuthi ababhadale because of draw attention yethu kuwe. Basiloya ngaye.
Sure.
Understand? I mean, khona umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi uRobin wadlalela ini eManchester ukhojwa ngobani awini match cup. That knowledge engakayicisele ngeManchester. Kuya knowledge engakanami ngabe ayazi emphilisayo. Uzoya kuManchester khona makura 8 ngeManchester one. Uzolapha abantu ukuthi mina ngezwe last time bathi khona ama fans eChiefs ayiyo mashela ukuthi uguba kathenga ama player. Lo muntu nomntwana ongakhera unomntwana imntwana yakhe ebhemini out ebhemani right bela ikhuza. Uyo mashela ukuthi iChiefs akuthenga ama player. Lo muntu ugogo wakhe kathenga necross akala mhlambe nomnyango ngiyatshela mina ngabukhanda umnyango uyomashela ukuthi iChiefs thenga ama player nje. uyabona ukuthi basibulela ingqondo
they
iChiefs
did.
bazoyuza ukuthi thina sibheke focus and
Abantwana bayithelevise ukuthi uyibone izindaba.
Away.
Emkhuleza umkhumbuzane ekhumbule kanti
After
ama-romance
Sunday,
into zabo
SABC
ezama-colosseum
yes
basho ukuthi senza le way lezama-colosseum ukuthi leyo lezolwa lapha sibhorana abantu babulala so leyo entertainment leyo izonenza ukuthi nina ezabantu ningabi ngendaba yepolitiki enzakalayo ebukhosini
understand
ukuthi uyabayekela bayakhona ukuyenza noma yini ningake ninake nina phela ninake ukuthi uzibani yokeca ubani kusasa ema-colosseum
safokotha
cabanga bashanga strategy sakudala so today
angithi nawo abanamqhinga labantu abahlaniphanga abadoma abanaplan kahle
Mara nathi asizwa ke.
I think that's why they keep on
ibuya la
replaying lama movies with slavery. So it's like they keeping you programmed, they keeping it in your head to remember you are a slave. You are a
Who
slave.
inverted
You are a
commas
slave.
are.
Yes.
When I ask the movie, do you know a movie whereby United States of America or yadliwa yashaya kusojeni?
Never. Even that, what's the movie?
That's so back at
La basically bathu ko Libya.
wayethemba lapho sokushaya.
Ko Libya. Yazi bayenzani? Babonisa le movie le from the American angle.
Yes.
Mara ba reading babonisa bathu bayikaya. Sure.
angizizwa ke leyo move leyo mame
Hey, no, listen, the one line, my favorite line in that movie. It's all the gods, all the devils, all the demons, all the angels are within me. But it's never external.
It's true.
It's never external. Hey, Uti, I'm here fighting a war. I don't even know what this war is about. Nah, Kodi countries, how many small children are killed? Hey, but how about this soul, but
hamba kuma-history books awala eSouth Africa and then see ukuthi bakhona na abantu abafighter against resilience this white monopoly bakhona nje abucetshwayo abhaliwe kuma-history books abonangalibalela abhalwanga abantu abanjalo ubhalwe laba abafuna ukufandwa abelungu vele abahamba nokucolonize abantu uyabona njengabushaka kanje ushaka uyacolonize abantu he was great, yes he was great, but usala i-ideology yakhe ukucolonize abantu hence bamfake kuma-history books because of he believes ukuthi ku-right ukuthi ulande umuntu umthathe umshintshe isibongo umenze so bayingozi yabo bantu babheke nalabantu abamnyama bathi balandele ukuthi bese balandele babheke banje abayenzayo abangani babo abangani babo uHelislas la isicabanga ama-transition
all praise.
abangani babo
Sitting on knowledge, on ancient knowledge.
yes abangani babo share eBhayibheli.
I must repent my case.
Ukuthi basibambe like ngama-movie TV. Remember thina abantu baseKhimu sicabanga ngama-images yabo. So that's how thina siyasymbolize. So bashaya nge-audio visual. So bakushaya nge-hekaw nange-visual yakhona. Chant the picture. That's why a movie will never be the same without sound. Yeah, Charlie movie is silent. Abantu abakhulumayo.
indaba nayo
you are spilling tea.
Moses na energize
indaba
This ain't no rule, boss.
ngaso isikhathi so energizer lo moya welight esihamba ngawo
So,
meaning asibheka boZuma noma ubheka uyagcina ku billboard madlula no billboard yini ngamasoyithema ebondeni
sure.
ubona amahedi ngesoyithena indaba icela ukuthi osibali kwending bathe uZuma ubalekile ugcina ngale amagama akho babeyila ngakho udlusa amehlo wathi awu entertain uyobamba iphepha elifundi uyobheka indaba yizwa ke uyobheka indaba uyobheka iTV letha lolu ukudiscuss letha lolu ukuthi thina let's go to discuss ngalabantu kahle i-perfect sign yokulala there's no way ukuthi ungavuka udla into ekulalisile there's no way ukuthi ungaphi uphuza i-poison ngabudla into okulapha ezwala i-TV poison indaba ze-politics poison mawuzazi upoison that's it akumelanga ngazi ukuthi manje uZuma wenzeni akumelanga unga-entertain uyazi ukuthi ukwazi uZuma wenzeni ukwazi kwakho knowledge is power knowledge is God ukwazi kwakho somguy God akumelanga wazi letha lo uxoxa ngayo
Mara we say thing.
Siwisa health paradigm thina sinthethela thina mamela khe nginge thina sinthethela into esiyenzayo asinandaba yenzayo sesipopane thina sifake energy into esiyenzayo asinandaba yenzayo yabo siyacina exist kithi sifake energy kule siyinthethela le sama ngendlela yini makuthiwa bona bane covid yaba ikhuluma indaba enasibonanga ngihamba ngo12 mina angiyibonanga into ngiyibonile yini
ichoice now
Only focus on what you want to play.
So was that, bakhe. That's the penny.